Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Aisha here with I Slay here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I shape and tame my brows by using eyelash glue. So first, I'm starting off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills 7B brush. I'm just brushing my brows into place before applying the glue. So the glue that I like to use is the Super Strong Hold Eyelash Glue, and this is the clear adhesive. So I'm placing it in the middle of my brows. I don't place it in the front of them because I want the beginning of my brows to look natural. So yeah, I'm placing that on the middle of my brows all the way until the end. And then I'm just going to be taking that same brush and lifting my brows up and shaping them into place how I want them. You guys got to move quick too because this glue dries pretty fast. So now I'm just taking some Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the shade Chocolate. And I'm taking the same 7B brush to apply that. So I'm starting from the middle of my brows and slowly outlining them. And you guys want to make sure you use light strokes when you're doing this. I like to go above my natural brow shape just to give it some kind of arch. Then I'm going in the front of my brows to create an angle that I want. Doing this really makes the arch of your brows more defined. So for the top, I'm starting in the middle of my brow as well. You don't want to start in the front of your brow because it's going to leave a harsh line and it's not going to look natural. So I'm basically following the shape of my brow and just dragging it to connect to the end of my brow. Then I'm going to take the end of my spoolie to sort of blend out any harsh lines. Now I'm just taking whatever's left on my brush and just filling in my brow. And I'm doing this in an upward motion because that's the angle that I shape my brow, but I'm still using light strokes. And I'm taking the end of my spoolie again to blend out the beginning of my brow. Now I'm just taking a Morphe brush and I'm taking some Too Faced concealer in the shade Butterscotch to clean my brows. And I'm placing the concealer on both sides of my brush. You don't have to do this. This is just my preference. And I like to use a precise brush when I'm doing this. That way you can really go in and clean your brows. So yeah, I'm just cleaning up whatever looks out of place. And I'm using my finger to blend out this concealer because I forgot to grab my brush. But your fingers are your second best tool to use. Now I'm just doing the same thing for the top of my brows. And when you're doing this step, guys, you want to make sure you take your time. And again, I'm just taking my finger to blend out this concealer. Now I'm just taking my spoolie one more time to make sure everything's in place. Yeah, that's how I get my fleeky brows. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like this video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell to make it go ding. And also follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on my next video.